Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting stance and balance. This is where the sway back is born. Plant feet shoulder width and angle the lead foot roughly 30 degrees, keeping knees soft. Distribute about 60% weight on the rear leg so you can move backward without losing posture. This stores energy in the rear heel. Once done, maintain hands high and chin tucked, and initiate a short hip hinge as you push the rear foot to slide the weight and create a controlled, smooth backward arc. You execute the sway back by leading with the hips, not the head, because the hip hinge preserves balance and visual focus. First, make a small hinge at the hips, then slide the rear foot back about 6 to 12 inches while flexing the ankle so your weight moves smoothly. Pull the lead shoulder and chin back slightly to shield the face. Keep eyes on the opponent the entire time. Once done, rebalance into your original stance quickly, ready to counterattack or circle off to safety. You finish the move by snapping the hips forward and recentering weight to the original 60% rear, 40% lead distribution. This readies you for a counter. Once done, choose a quick counterpunch or pivot to the outside while keeping hands high. If something goes wrong, like overbalancing, shorten the sway distance and emphasize driving from the ankle instead of the waist. This corrects timing and keeps you upright. Make small adjustments each rep to build a reliable, repeatable sway back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.